गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स फॉर क्लास 8। हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे एग्रीकल्चरल प्रैक्टिसेस। तो उसमें था प्रिपरेशन ऑफ सॉइल, सेकंड था शोविंग्स, थर्ड था एडिंग मैन्यूर एंड फर्टिलाइजर, जो हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं। टुडे वी विल डिस्कस इरिगेशंस। इरिगेशन, द प्रोसेस ऑफ सप्लाइंग वाटर टू क्रॉप plants in the field is called irrigations. Irrigations is necessary to provide moisture for the germination of seeds. This is because seeds do not grow in dry soil. Dry soil के अंदर seeds grow नहीं करेंगे. Irrigations is necessary to maintain the moisture of soil for healthy crop growth so as to get good yield. Factors affecting irrigations. 3 factors हैं: nature of the crop, nature of the soil and season. First we will discuss nature of the crop. Each crop need a specific amount of water during the various stages of its growth and ripenings. Some crops needs more water, for example rice crop है. Other requires less water, जैसे wheat है, grams etc. Nature of the soil. There are 2 important types of soil in which crops grown. कौन कौन से है? Sandy soil and clay soil. The crop grown in a sandy soil need irrigations more frequently, whereas the frequency of irrigations for the crops in a clay soil is completely less. Sandy soil के कंपैरिजन में less होते हैं इन clay soil में irrigations. Next है the poor water retaining capacity of the sandy soil. The crop cultivated in sandy soil need more frequent irrigations due to better water retaining capacity of the clay soil. The crop cultivated in clay soil need irrigation less frequently. Next is season. The frequency of irrigations of crop also varies season to season. The frequency of irrigations of the crop is higher in summer seasons. Next है source of irrigations. कौन कौन से हैं? rivers है, canals हैं, walls हैं, tubewells हैं, dams, ponds and lakes etc. Traditional method of irrigation: moat, chain pumps, decline और rehets. ये क्या हैं? Traditional methods. मॉडर्न मेथड्स ऑफ इरिगेशन, इसमें क्या है? स्प्रिंकलर सिस्टम एंड ड्रिप सिस्टम. तो फर्स्ट वी डिस्कस स्प्रिंकलर सिस्टम. इन द स्प्रिंकलर सिस्टम ऑफ इरिगेशन ए मेन पाइपलाइन इज लेड इन द फील्ड. परपेंडिकुलर पाइप्स हैविंग रोटेटिंग नोजल्स at the top are joined to the main pipelines at regular intervals. Regular intervals के अंदर होती हैं. The sprinkler system of irrigation is more useful for the uneven land where sufficient water is not available. The sprinkler system is also very useful for sandy soil के लिए ये बेस्ट है. नेक्स्ट है ड्रिप सिस्टम. इन द ड्रिप irrigation system there is a network of narrow pipes with small holes in the fields. When water flow through the narrow pipes, it falls drop at the position of roots of the plants. There is no wastage of irrigation water. Drip system is the best technique for watering fruits, plants, trees and gardens. Advantage है इसकी: ड्रिप सिस्टम मिनिमाइज द यूज ऑफ वाटर इन एग्रीकल्चर्स। सेकंड है ड्रिप सिस्टम प्रोवाइड्स वाटर टू प्लांट्स ड्रॉप बाय ड्रॉप, so water is not wasted at all. Thank you. Have a nice day.